Hey guys, it's me Gabriel and I'm back with another video. And as you can see, I have the new iPhone 12 Pro Max in front of me, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys today. So first off, the iPhone 12 Pro Max box does not come with a charging brick or Apple EarPods, which is why the box is so slim. As you can see, it's so thin compared to, like, say, an 11 Pro Max. It's literally half the size, and it's to, like, conserve the environment and everything, which is good. But people are saying that they already spend so much on a phone and they still have to spend extra on a charging brick and all that. Sometimes it isn't convenient, but then again, it's to save the environment, so it's kind of a symbiotic relationship. So I rewrapped it. We already opened it, sadly, but I tried my best to rewrap it, and we're gonna unbox it now. So just rip this and just put it down. The box. Okay, got the plastic. Let's ASMR it. Okay. So like I said, the box is literally half the size of the previous box because it doesn't come with a charger or earphones. I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, wow. I'm gonna drop it, but here is the phone. Hopefully you guys can see it. We got the Pacific blue color. As you can see, ooh, it's really nice. I'll get some B-roll shots of it, but let's take it out. Okay, the stainless steel sides. Also, this year's iPhones are going back to a rectangular design, like flat edges, like the iPhone 4 or 5 design, and I really like that. And look at this. This is so amazing. I mean, I saw it last night when we collected it, but it was night. We didn't really get to see the blue, but in the daytime, I'm gonna set that aside. So like I said, in the box you don't get a lot of things, but you do get this baby-sized instructions and stickers, which is really cute. But there's only one Apple sticker, which is really sad. Then we have a SIM ejector tool to eject your SIM card tray. We also have some instructions, more instructions, and basically we have a lot of literature that no one will read ever. And then it comes with a lightning to USB-C cable. So if you're upgrading from any other phone other than the 11 Pro Max or the 11 Pro, you're gonna have to buy your own USB-C charging brick, which is fine. It's literally only 80 ringgit, I guess. But as you can see, we have an 11 Pro Max here, so we wouldn't be needing that. And now it's time for the phone. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here. Can you guys see it? Ooh, it's blue. It's the Pacific blue. It looks very similar to the midnight green model, but yeah. So the 3 cameras and the LiDAR sensor is there. I'm really excited to try out these new cameras because you get deep fusion in all of them, night mode in all of them, I think. And with the sensor stabilization, I expect to have better stabilization. And coming from a guy who shoots all his videos on his phone, I really hope that will help my video workflow. LiDAR sensor is for better depth 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 sensing, and for better night mode. So it should be getting better night mode pictures, better portrait mode pictures. And the difference between Pro Max and the Pro, so you have the telephoto lens on both the Pro and Pro Max, but the Pro Max has a 2.5 zoomed telephoto lens, whereas the 12 Pro has only the 2x telephoto lens, which it's really down to personal preference whether you like your zoom to be that much or you like your portrait mode pictures to be that zoomed in. But honestly, the 0.5 difference isn't that much, but still a lot. So the difference between the 12 and the 12 Pro models are that the 12 does not get the telephoto lens, whereas the 12 Pro models get the telephoto lens. Other than that, the 12 does not get this beautiful stainless steel, whereas the 12 Pro gets, as you know, stainless steel. The 12 is made out of aluminum, and the back of the 12 Pros are frosted glass, and the 12s are just regular glass. You've seen them on iPhones. So enough talking, let's get into unboxing. This part. Wait, first of all, they've changed this packaging to paper, which is better than plastic, which I applaud you, Apple. But worst part is we can't see the screen when we're setting it up, so it's kind of risky, like setting it up with no screen protector, because it's an unspoken rule for iPhones to have a case and screen protector before you start using them. So yeah, I hope you guys can see this. I hope it's in focus. Okay, we peeled it off. Okay, so basically I think that's it for the unboxing. Now, a lot of people are saying the design isn't that different from the 11 Pro and all that, which I get you, but most people that are gonna get this phone wants it for the better camera features and basically better improvement in performance and everything. Okay, so this is the screen. So the 12 Pro Max has a 6.7 inch diagonally measured screen, whereas the 12 Pro has a 6.1 inch. The 12 has a 6.1 inch as well, and the 12 mini has a 5.4 inch screen. Now, I did check out all of the models yesterday. I took some pictures with them, and just really seeing that 12 mini makes me really want one, because I got into the iPhone with the iPhone 4 and I really love the design. Just to be able to hold a phone that small, put it in your pocket that fits, I'm all for it. But obviously, for like creative workflow and all that, we need the better camera system and everything. So here is the 12 Pro Max. Can we open the camera? So like I said, this is the camera interface. So there's a 2.5 zoom over here, and then your ultra wide, and then your 1x. And with the new camera improvements, you're supposed to be able to take Dolby Vision HDR video. The 12 Pro models can take Dolby HDR Vision video in 4K 60 frames per second, whereas the normal 12 line only can take up to 4K 30. That's where like the camera differences come in between the both. But I'm gonna stick with purely iPhone. It's just easier. And yeah, so I am going to hope that I have the energy to do camera test videos, but we'll see if we have time, because I haven't done one before. It'll be very fun to do. And a comparison between the 11 Pro Max, but I don't have the phone here right now, so we'll compare it later. And yeah, that's all for the unboxing. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.